Why do you keep on staring in that mirror, mirror? It ain't fair at all. Dress sizes can't define. Don't let the world decide what's beautiful. No, you won't make yourself a name if you follow the rules. History is made when you're acting a fool. So don't hold it back and just flaunt it. Show what you got and just own it. Nobody can tear you apart. If you trust your rebel heart, ride into battle. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. Wear out your boots and kick up the gravel. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled on. Take the road less traveled on. Don't follow anyone. March to the rhythm of a different drum. Why do we analyze, break down and criticize crazy ones? Oh, you won't make yourself a name if you follow the rules. History is made when you're acting a fool. So don't hold it back and just flaunt it. Show what you got and just own it. Nobody can tear you apart. If you trust your rebel heart, ride into battle. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. Wear out your boots and kick up the gravel. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled on. Take the road less traveled on. Take the road less traveled on. Raise your hands up, show me that you're one of a kind. Raise your hands up, let me hear your voice tonight. If you trust your rebel heart, ride into battle. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. Wear out your boots and kick up the gravel. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. Ride into battle. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. And kick up the gravel. Don't be afraid. Take the road less traveled. Take the road less traveled. Travel on. Take the road less traveled on.
Let's learn Road Less Traveled. It's choreographed by Paula Frohn. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with one restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where that restart happens, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Road Less Traveled. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to do a right shuffle, forward, step right, forward, left together, right, forward. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a 3/4 triple over our left shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping our left foot slightly forward. Make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot next to your left, and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot slightly to face 3 o'clock. When you do that, you want that mostly to happen in place. So let's try that with some counts. We're walking 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross our left behind our right. We're now going to do a quarter shuffle over our right shoulder. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping forward with our right, step our left foot next to our right, step forward with our right. We're going to step forward with our left and do a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our right foot. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our left, left forward, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our triple. Weight is on that left foot. We're stepping our right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do toe struts, and if you would like to add hip bumps, I like to add hip bumps to it. You can. So when you touch that right toe forward, you're going to bump your hip right, left, and then step down as you bump your hip with the right. We're now going to take our left toe, touch it forward, and you're going to bump your hip left, right, left, and step down onto that left foot. We're going to do a jazz box with a step forward. We're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot back, step your right foot to the side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. Let's try that with some counts. You're doing your toe struts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to make a half pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and we're going to do a quarter pivot over our left shoulder, putting our weight on our left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to stomp our right foot shoulder width apart, stomp our left foot shoulder width apart, and we're going to do a hip roll from left to right, doing it nice and slow around, and then putting your weight back onto your left foot, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight's on your left foot. You're doing your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ending with your weight on your left foot, ready to start the dance all over again with your walks. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. You're starting with your 2 walks. Walk, walk, right, shuffle. Rock, recover, 3, quarter, triple, right side, left behind, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, toe struts, toe strut, jazz box. Now step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, stomp out, out with your hip roll from left to right, ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on our 4th rotation of the dance. So we will be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts, which will put you back on this wall. So we're going to do those 16 counts, and then we'll show where that restart happens. 2 walks, walk, walk, shuffle, rock, 3, quarter, triple, side, behind, quarter, shuffle, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward. Right here, you're going to restart the dance with your walk, walk, shuffle, and you will dance the rest of the dance through without worrying about anything else. So now we're going to go around, do 5 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we'll do counts. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're doing our 2 walks. Walk, walk, shuffle, rock, 3, quarter, triple, side, behind, quarter, shuffle, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward, toe strut with the right and the left, jazz box, step, half, pivot, step, quarter, pivot, stomp, out, out, hip roll. Now your walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, and shuffle. Rock, 3, quarter, triple. Side, behind, quarter, shuffle. Step, half, pivot, shuffle forward, toe strut with the right and the left, jazz box. Step, half, pivot, step, quarter, pivot, stomp, out, out, and now your hip roll. 16 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now a little trick about how to keep your walls when you're doing that 3/4 triple. We are rocking with our left foot. You're turning over your left shoulder. You're gonna end at whatever wall was at your right shoulder. So when we're facing 12 o'clock, we do that rock 3/4 triple. We're gonna end facing 3 o'clock. If we start at 3 o'clock, we're rock doing that 3/4 triple. You'll end facing 6. And then same thing when you're facing 6, you'll end facing 9. That's kind of your home base. So whatever wall your right shoulder was facing to start the dance, that's the wall that you are turning to. I hope this helps you learn Road Less Traveled. It is one of my favorite dances, and I hope it becomes one of yours. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.